Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload a song to SoundCloud. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we're going to do is jump into SoundCloud on our mobile device. Now this is on the iPhone and this is what it looks like. So it might look slightly different on an Android. Up on the top of the page, you're going to see there is, once you've obviously signed into your account, you're going to see a little cloud with an arrow. Tap on that, it'll open up your actual device's storage. Here you can locate and find the file or the audio or the song that you would like to upload. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to upload it like this. You're going to tap on it, it will now upload it. It'll give you now a few options. So here you are going to give it a title. You're also going to tap on the image section and give it an image or a cover image. You can add an artist. You can add a genre, a description, a caption, and then you can set it to either public or unlisted, which would be private. You can schedule your release if you have Artist Pro, which is the SoundCloud paid version. And once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and tap on save, and you will be able to find this in your SoundCloud app. I hope this was helpful.